Scientists have figured out a cheaper, more efficient way to conduct a chemical reaction at the heart of many biological processes, which may lead to better ways to create biofuels from plants. Scientists around the world have been trying for years to create biofuels and other bioproducts more cheaply. This study, published today in the journal Scientific Reports, suggests that it is possible to do so. The process of converting sugar to alcohol has to be very efficient if you want to have the end product be competitive with fossil fuels, said Venkat Gopalan, a senior author on the paper and professor of chemistry and biochemistry at The Ohio State University. The process of how to do that is well established, but the cost makes it not competitive, even with significant government subsidies. This new development is likely to help lower the cost. At the heart of their discovery, a less expensive and simpler method to create the helper molecules that allow carbon in cells to be turned into energy. Those helper molecules, which chemists call cofactors, are nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide (NADH) and its derivative NADPH. These cofactors in their reduced forms have long been known to be a key part of turning sugar from plants into butanol or ethanol for fuels. Both cofactors also play an important role in slowing the metabolism of cancer cells and have been a target of treatment for some cancers. But NADH and NADPH are expensive. If you can cut the production cost in half, that would make biofuels a very attractive additive to make flex fuels with gasoline, said Vish Subramaniam, a senior author on the paper and recently retired professor of engineering at Ohio State. Butanol is often not used as an additive because it's not cheap. But if you could make it cheaply, suddenly the calculus would change. You could cut the cost of butanol in half, because the cost is tied up in the use of this cofactor. To create these reduced cofactors in the lab, the researchers built an electrode by layering nickel and copper, two inexpensive elements. That electrode allowed them to recreate NADH and NADPH from their corresponding oxidized forms. In the lab, the researchers were able to use NADPH as a cofactor in producing an alcohol from another molecule, a test they did intentionally to show that not the electrode they built could help convert biomass, plant cells, to biofuels. Please support my channel to grow by pressing subscribe button and the bell icon. We will notify you technological news. Thank you.